Hello viewers, you are watching Viswaraj Classes YouTube channel. We are explaining the circle chapter, which is the most simplest chapter of mathematics of standard 10. Already we have uploaded 2 videos regarding this. You can check the link of those 2 videos in the description box. In this video, we are again going to talk about tangents. Yes, what is tangent? Tangent is the line which touches this circle at only one point. Now, if the point is on this circle, we can draw only one tangent. Yes, if the point is on the circle, we can draw one and only one tangent. But if the point is outside the circle, means if it's external point, from an external point, we can draw two tangents. Yes, not more than two. We can draw two tangents from the point outside the circle. So now in this video, we are going to study second theorem regarding these two tangents. And as I said, this theorem is quite simple but very important and quite interesting. So let's start with the second theorem of circle chapter. Before I start this second theorem, I would like to request all of you to subscribe our channel so that you'll get the regular updates of the videos which we upload here. Now, let's talk about the second theorem. So, what is this second theorem? So, when we draw two tangents from the external point, these two tangents are equal in length. This is our second theorem. The lengths of the tangents drawn from the external point to the circle are equal. That's it. So what is the first thing we have to do here? Always the first thing is draw the required figure. So let's draw the required figure to prove this theorem. Is the required figure. Now here we have one circle with center O. P is the external point which is outside the circle. PA and PB are the two tangents which are drawn from this external point, and we have to prove that length of these two tangents is equal. Given we have a circle with center O. Then PA and PB are the two tangents from external point P. And what we have to prove? To prove PA is equal to PB, means we have to prove that these two tangents are equal. Now again here we have to do one simple construction. Now what is this construction? We have to just join OA, OB and OP. That's it. Let's join this. So now what construction we have done here? Let's write it. Construction join OA, OB and OP. Now when we draw these three lines, we get two triangles here. Okay, we get two triangles. So what we have to prove? PA is equal to PB. So if we prove, okay, by applying any rule, if we prove that these two triangles are congruent, then the thing is done. We can directly say PA and PB are equal. Now how to prove that these two triangles are congruent? Proof. Okay, let's consider these two triangles. In triangle OAP and triangle OBP, what did we prove in our previous theorem? Do you remember what was our previous theorem? First theorem of the chapter circle. It was radius is always perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So here for tangent PA, OA is radius and A is point of contact. So OA is perpendicular to PA. Similarly, PB, okay, for PB, B is point of contact and OB is the radius. So here OB is perpendicular to PB. So in these two triangles, we have one right angle. Let's write it. So here angle OAP is equal to angle OBP and this is equal to 90 degrees. What is the reason? We get this by theorem. Now we have one right angle. Fine. What about OP? OP is the side which is opposite to this 90 degrees and as well as this 90 degrees. Means the side opposite to angle A as well as angle B. Means side OP is hypotenuse for both of these triangles and it is common. So here OP is common. Next thing, OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. Reason? Quite simple, it's radii of the same circle. Radii of same circle. So in these two triangles, we have right angle which is equal, hypotenuse is equal, means it's common, and one side is equal. So these two triangles are congruent by RHS rule. Therefore, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP by RHS rule. And as these two triangles are congruent, PA is equal to PB. Reason? The most favorite reason to write of our students is CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. That's it. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So here we complete the second theorem of chapter circle. The theorem which is quite simple but very important. Now the exercise of this chapter is based on this theorem. So in our upcoming videos we will be solving the exercise of this circle chapter. So to get the updates of those videos, you have to subscribe our channel and please do share this video among your friends. My dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.